बुलेटिन का आगाज करेंगे। पाक ताजिक तिजारत के लिए अफगानिस्तान में अमन का क़याम ज़रूरी है। ताजिकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान मिलजुल कर अफगान अमन के लिए हर मुमकिन कोशिश करेंगे। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म इमरान खान का ताजिकिस्तान दारुल हुकूमत दोशंबे में बिजनेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब। कहा, अफगानिस्तान में दो बड़ी बरादरियों पश्तून और ताजिक को करीब लाने और मखलूत हुकूमत के क़याम को यकीनी बनाने के लिए पूरी कोशिश करेंगे। तवानाई के मंसूबे का कासा 10,000 की जल्द तकमील चाहते हैं। तिजारत से दोनों ममालिक को फ़ायदा होगा।
I believe we have some 67 companies here from Pakistan today. We envy that you have cheap, clean hydroelectricity. In Pakistan, unfortunately, we have very expensive electricity. And so we hope that CASA 1000, which will be expedited, so that we can also benefit from your clean and cheap energy, hydroelectricity. For the business community of Tajikistan, Pakistan is a country of 220 million people. And we hope, and I invite you, our business community will invite you, and I assure you that we will facilitate you in every way. The more trade between the two countries, the more it will benefit both the countries. So I can assure you that we will be giving you all the incentives. The government's job is to facilitate, and inshallah you will find whenever you come that the government will do everything to make it easier for you to do business. That finally, after 40 years of conflict, there will be peace in Afghanistan. It's extremely important for our trade, for there to be peace there, so that there's better connectivity. Your president and myself will be trying everything to make sure that there is peace, and especially between the two major communities, Pashtun and Tajiks. We will be doing our best to make sure that they get together and there is an inclusive government.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।